15.
Tiny like a trainer too.
Yeah. Oh, little guy. Feels heavy. It's dead. Feels dead. This feels heavy, whatever it is.
Definitely not a yes.
Yeah. He ain't putting up a fight. He just he was just fucking on a run.
You gotta keep that.
Oh fuck yeah.
Release it. You can't keep these here.
Fuck, jackpot was yesterday with one of these bad boys.
Can't be with this one.
Why?
It's in a restricted zone. Any bottom fish have to be released.
I didn't know that.
You guys got pliers on you?
Damn, look at that fat boy.
Oh my god.
Damn. So only in certain areas you can keep them?
This is Farnsworth, you can't keep them.
Ah, okay, okay.
Damn.
Fuck.
What we got here? Sheep says.
It's a baby guy.
Birds are dick too. There you go.
Let me go over here, buddy. Where are you, fuck? Oh, fuck. Let me go over here. Oh, just a little guy.
Looked like he had some weight on him for a second.
Yeah.